आगे बढ़ सके और हमारे जो प्रॉब्लम है वो जान सके। जानने के लिए उन्होंने हमारे स्कूल में विजिट किया है। तो गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल।
Good afternoon. Respected headmaster, teachers, and my dear student friend. Today I'm very happy to visit your school campus because having heard, especially the HSLC result, matriculation result, which secured 100% success. With that, I'm very happy to visit and very eager to visit actually. So I came before the day of your foundation day today. That's make me sense that I'm so eager to meet you all because of your success. So that is number one. And secondly, you have a great opportunity to study here because this particular school has a great sentimental to uplift the education system in Karbi Anglong. So you also be very proud of it to be a part of late Sumila Ronghangpi Memorial Residential School because in the coming days or years this particular school will definitely grow up, and through the effort of your headmaster and your faculty system in West Karbi Anglong, and I truly believe in future whatever we can help, whatever we can do, whatever we can connect through the other platform from this school to the other global system, that is our responsibility. From my side, I will do my best to connect with the others global platform or the national platform to address your grievances and your things that you should get available. Hobo, I try to speak in English, some of you may not get it. Someone go by say no? So for tomorrow, this is a celebration day. It is going to be the 5th foundation day of this particular school. And then we will not be available tomorrow, but I hope our principal, headmaster will definitely felicitate to those 8 successful candidates with the traditional Karbi photo from our behalf. So definitely we will do for us. So all of you, wish you all the best in coming days, and definitely we will cooperate with you. We will join with you in all the issues that we have in future. Thank you so much. Next time when I visit, I'll bring sweets for you 100%. Okay. Bye bye.